back. Today we're gonna be reviewing everything in Update 63. So we have several new vehicles. Alright, let's see. We have like 5 new vehicles. Let's check them out. Let's see. Okay, there's one. We got the remodeled version. This is the remodeled. Pretty nice car. They did remodel it, which is nice. Moving on. They also remodeled this one, and it's not that blocky anymore. Where are the actual new cars? Oh! This is the Turbo Train! Ride cost $1.99. Okay, $1.99. Turbo Train. If you reach 30,000 lifetime platina, you get this train. Now, I wonder if the cars actually move. And then we have this yellow vehicle. Huh. Let's go check it out for a test drive. Electric. An electric SUV. Dang, is this thing fast. Woo! Okay. Yeah, why do I keep spawning up here? I don't need up here. Let's go take it for the speed test. Alright, there we go. We're going 120, 130, 140, 150, 160. Top speed is 160 for this electric SUV. New vehicle in LT63. Now let's just launch this off. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Launch! Ow. Okay, moving on. Alright, let's see. It's a G-Wagon. Whoa! Dude, G-Wagon! G-Wagon! I'm gonna turn this yellow. Dang! We got a G-Wagon! I think this was a limited time vehicle, and now it's actually in the game. Dang, I also saw they remodeled this. So that's nice. I'm seeing this go like 150 maybe? Let's see. Speed test. Let's see. Whoa! Okay, it's top heavy. Got that. Alright, moving on. Let's see, what's the next vehicle? Oh, there's the, this was the limited time vehicle. Let's see. Oh, this is the limited time vehicle. For 5 bit. Uh-oh. Really? Go, 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 go. Really? Alright, 10 seconds until takeoff. All I can do is put my vehicle. I'm just trying to check out the new limited. Oh, and there we go. Where's the boat at? Oh, someone just floated over there. There it goes! Dang. Alright, that's nice. Okay, it descended. Let's go check out that new limited again. It was this one. Hold on. Let it load. Look at that. It's a nice race car. Alright, let's see. Oh! Dang! It's a VIP. It's the Nissan 230 GTR Liberty Run. Okay, moving on. It's bad we can't test that. Dang! Alright, let's see. There's also more vehicles. Hold on. Is that it? Really? I think that was it. Alright, let's go buy that truck. I have enough platina for it. So let's go get it. Back it up, 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 back it up. How far back was it? I think it's like right here. There it is. Yep. Alright, I got it. Let's go paint it some other color. Can't see how it's painted. Oh, okay. That's on that. I'll turn that black. Got black too, and maybe. Oh, this is for, okay. I'll take this. It's been a long time since they added actual trucks, maybe like huge trucks. No, I'm not talking about the mega vehicles. I'm just talking about trucks or buses. It's been a long time since we actually added buses. But it hasn't been way too much before they added trucks. Dang, is this thing huge. Speed test apparently only goes 44 miles an hour. Ow. Alright, time for the rev test. Let's see. Come on. Scroll down. Alright, let's start with the remodeled vehicle up here. Let's see. Rev test. Here we go. We're about to rev it. Here we go. Those flames at the end were nice. Alright, moving on. Let's see. I can't get this guy. This guy is VIP. This is the train. Dude, is that thing long? Alright, rev test. Rev test. Come on. Oh wait, this thing can't rev. It's an electric vehicle. Oh well. Moving on. Now, G-Wagon. G-Wagon. Look at this thing. Detailed inside. G-Wagon. Someone already has taken the new truck. Alright. Nice, nice, nice. It's all the way down. There's this guy. That's the VIP. There's the truck. Rev this thing up. Does sound like an ordinary truck. These extra two tires really make it feel like a truck. If only they had like an update that changed the horns. Like we need more horn. We need more horns. We need different types of horns. Oh, okay. Well, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this brand new update. As you can see, you got the limited time vehicle, and then down here we have the new Platina vehicle. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you all in the next one.